So, you've decided to switch from Windows to Linux. You've installed your new distro and everything is running smoothly. But then you start wondering, what about all the software I use every day? The good news is that for most common tasks, you don't need to give up your workflow. There are Linux alternatives that can replace many of the programs you're used to on Windows. In this video, I'll show you the biggest replacements you should know about for Microsoft Office, Photoshop, and Premiere Pro. The first replacement is Microsoft Office. For many people, Office is the main reason stopping them from switching, especially if you rely on Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. The most popular alternative on Linux is LibreOffice. It includes the Writer that we can see here for writing documents, Impress for creating presentations, and Calc for spreadsheets. It can open and edit most Microsoft Office files, including DocX, XLSX, and PPTX files, so you can still work with people who use Microsoft Office. However, it's worth noting that more complex documents, such as ones that have macros or formatting, may not work perfectly. However, for most users, if you're just writing documents, creating spreadsheets, and making presentations, LibreOffice is more than capable. Next is image editing. One of the best alternatives is Photopea. Unlike Photoshop, it runs entirely in your web browser, so there's nothing to install, and it works just as well on Linux as it does on Windows. If you've used Photoshop before, Photopea will feel immediately familiar. The layout, the tools and menus, and overall workflow are all very similar. This makes the transition much easier compared to other alternatives. It also supports native PSD files, along with other formats like PNG, JPG, SVG, and more. So opening existing projects is rarely a problem. The third replacement is for video editing. The best option is Kdenlive. Kdenlive is a full video editor with features like multi-track video editing, transitions, effects, audio editing, and support for a wide range of formats. It can't open Premiere Pro files, and it doesn't have the advanced features of Premiere Pro, but for most content creators, YouTube videos, and general projects, Kdenlive is a very capable replacement. So while Linux might seem like it's a big change at first, switching doesn't mean giving up the software that you use every day. With alternatives like LibreOffice, Photopea, and Kdenlive, you can still write documents, edit images, and create videos without needing Windows.